So the full name of our project is Simulation-Based Training for Accident Prevention in the Automotive Industry. And in this project, we focus on accident prevention, and we have a scenario that will be distributed to the public, and it focuses on the maintenance of electronic equipment. And the background is that in Germany and many other European countries, there are, of course, important safety rules for electricians and mandatory safety trainings that have to repeat it at least once per year. This means that there's a large demand for ways to make this training more attractive and more interesting. And we try to do this in a virtual reality environment. So in the video, you can see the current status of our development. And it starts with the tutorial to get to know the controls and everything. And it's basically just separated in two different challenges and exercises with varying difficulty. And the one you can see in the video is about the replacement of a defective electric motor. And at first, you have to collect your tools, put them into the toolbox. So there are, of course, certified tools that you can use, and some that are unnecessary for the job. And the idea is to teach to use the correct tools and to apply the safety rules. So before you can start working on your electric equipment, you have, of course, to make sure that the power is disabled, so that you don't get shocked. And this is something we can simulate quite well in our virtual training. So you can see right now the trainee has already selected it's already filled the toolbox, has now just disconnected the switch, and now put the safety measures in place. Right? So make sure that nobody else accesses the control cabinet. So that's basically the idea of our scenario. So to learn to use the safety rules, put them in place, and apply them in practice, so that we hope to recreate a more memorable experience than the standard lecture that is happening right now. Okay, so thank you very much.